57% of all bankruptcies happen as a result of medical bills, and most of those people had health insurance. Accidents happen and you need to be protected. Don't get wiped out by a medical emergency. Get paid cash directly to you in the event of an accident or major illness. Have an accident, slip and fall? Get paid cash. Diagnosed with a major illness such as cancer? Have a heart attack or stroke? We'll send you a check for up to $50,000. These plans start for as little as $2 per week. 75% of healthy individuals will become critically ill, and 247 people visit the emergency room every minute of every day due to accidents. These are your coworkers, your neighbors, your friends. Don't let it be you. So why not protect yourself and your family today with freeobamacare.com. Call the number on your screen or text Obama to 67076.